Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing that your bills are covered, your investments are growing, and money is no longer a constant source of stress. For many, that's what financial freedom looks like. But here's the truth: financial freedom isn't something you suddenly achieve overnight. It's a journey, and every person, regardless of income, goes through different stages before reaching true financial independence. In today's video, we break down the 7 stages of financial freedom, how to identify where you are today, and the practical step will take you to the next level. Let's get started. Stage 1: Financial survival. The first stage is simply surviving. At this point, your income isn't enough to comfortably cover your expenses. You may be relying on credit cards, loans, family support, or payday loans. While this stage can feel overwhelming, it also provides something valuable: awareness. The first step to changing your financial future is to understand exactly where your money is going. Start tracking every expense, list every debt, know your income, create a simple monthly budget. The goal is not perfection, it's clarity, because you can't improve what you don't measure. Stage 2: Self-Reliance. Now you've reached the point where your income covers your basic living expenses. You're paying your bills without relying on others. However, you may still be living paycheck to paycheck. This stage is about building consistency. Develop habits like paying bills on time, avoiding unnecessary debt, and increasing your income through new skills, promotions, or side businesses. Every dollar saved today becomes a tool for tomorrow. Stage 3: Financial stability. This is where real progress begins. Instead of spending everything you earn, you start saving. An emergency fund becomes your first financial safety net. Unexpected expenses no longer force you into debt. Even a small emergency fund can dramatically reduce financial stress. The key here is consistency. Small savings made regularly can add up to big results over time. Stage 4: Financial security. At this stage, you have built up several months of living expenses. High interest debt is mostly gone. For the first time, losing your job doesn't immediately cause a financial crisis. Now your money starts working for you. You can start investing in assets like index funds, retirement accounts, real estate, or businesses. Instead of simply earning income, you are building wealth. Stage 5: Financial flexibility. Imagine having enough investments to take a year off from work without worrying about money. That's flexibility. Your investment income may not yet fully replace your salary, but it will cover a significant portion of your lifestyle. This stage gives you options. You can travel, start a business, go back to school, spend more time with family. Money becomes a source of opportunity instead of a constraint. Stage 6: Financial independence. This is the milestone that many people dream of. Your investments now generate enough income to cover your living expenses indefinitely. Working becomes an option. You choose your career because you enjoy it, not because you have to pay the bills. It takes years of disciplined saving, smart investing, and patience to reach this level. But once achieved, it provides something that money can't easily buy: freedom over the course of your life. Stage 7: Financial abundance. The final stage is abundance. Your wealth is growing faster than you spend it. Financial worries are minimized. Most importantly, abundance creates the ability to have a lasting impact. Many people at this stage choose to mentor others, support charities, invest in meaningful projects, or leave a legacy for future generations. True wealth is not measured by the things you own. It is also measured by the lives you improve. Remember, financial freedom is not a competition. Everyone starts from a different place. Some people move quickly, others take years. The important thing is to know where you are today and take one step toward the next stage. Small actions repeated over and over again can transform your financial future. So here's today's question: what stage of financial freedom are you currently at? Share your answer in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more videos on building wealth, investing wisely, and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.